In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to web scrape data from Wikipedia using Pandas. Now, first, we're going to import Pandas as PD. Now that our package is imported, we're going to now start our web scraping process. So we have our S&P 100 Wikipedia page here. Now, if we scroll down, this is what we're going to want to web scrape for, this list of stocks. So on this page, we could see here is a table, here is a table, and here is a table. So this is going to be table number 3. We can come back to our script, and we're going to define our URL. Now in quotes, we can paste that link and then save it within this URL variable. We can come down and define tables as pd.read HTML URL. Once we enter this, we can run it. To view that tables variable, we can just retype tables, and now you can see we have all that data from Wikipedia. Considering that was table 3 that we looked at, we could type in 2 here as Python starts at 0 and press run. And now we can see we have exactly what we need, and if we would like, we could even save that in a data frame. And now that we have this in the data frame, we could also change this link up a little bit. So say we want to scrape from the S&P 500 as we see here. Now we can look around and we see table 1. This might be detected as a table, but we're not 100% sure yet. And this is the table that we're going to want to scrape for. And once we change the link here, we could run that block, and then we could just run these as well. Now we could see we pulled this. Now what we could do to fix this is we can just experiment with other numbers. So for example, let's try 1. And you can see 1 is what gave us what we were looking for. Now with a little bit of data cleaning, we could have a nice data frame identical to what's on this page here. Now, this isn't the only website you could web scrape for. You could web scrape from just about anywhere. I've personally done Baseball Reference, Indeed, and numerous other financial databases, as sometimes they don't have APIs. So this would be your way around that. Now, that's a basic introduction on how to web scrape Python, and I hope that helps.